Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
Jammu and Kashmir police have arrested a group of militant associates who were helping the militants to carry out attacks on the security forces. Now, in the last 1 year, there have been more than 75 anti-militancy operations in which over 180 militants have been killed. Besides that, close to about 150 militant associates have been arrested, and also many hideouts have been busted and a large quantum of arms and ammunition have been recovered. All this, the police say, is a big operational success compared to last few years. So clearly, while on one hand there have been encounters with militants all across Kashmir Valley, in different parts in the south of Kashmir Valley, in Srinagar city, and also in the north of the valley. At the same time, a large number of militant associates have been arrested. They are the ones who provide logistic support to the militants, help in their movement, and also provide information to them.
श्रीनगर पुलिस ने खास करके वेस्ट जोन के एसपी साहब, एसडीपीओ, एसएचओ तीनों की टीम मिलके 3-4 स्पेशल टीम बनाए, जिसको बार बार एसएसपी साहब, डीआई साहब गाइड करते रहे। और इस टीम ने करीब 10-15 लोगों सस्पेक्ट को ह्यूमन इंट और टेक्निकल इंट की बेस पर पकड़ के लाया, थ्रोली इंट्रोगेट किए। उस बेसिस पर जब पिन पॉइंट हुआ तो बरजुला में जो इनकाउंटर हुआ, जिसमें सैफुल्ला एक लोकल टेररिस्ट इरशाद जो पुलवामा के थे मारे गए, तो वहाँ तक हम लोग नहीं रुके। हमारी टीम ने उसके बाद अपनी कार्रवाई को उस मॉड्यूल के पीछे और आगे गया। उसके दरमियान जो पाया गया कि इस सारे अटैक करने के पीछे जो मॉड्यूल काम कर रहा था, उसमें 3 से लेकर 10 तक आइडेंटिफाई करते करते 6 को पिन पॉइंट किए, और 6 जो मिलिटेंट के एसोसिएट थे एलईटी के, उसको पकड़ने में कामयाबी मिली। उसको इंटीग्रेट करने पर उन्होंने जिस व्हीकल का यूज किया, जिसमें कि एक तवेरा है, 2 अल्टो है, 3 बाइक है, उसको सीज किया गया, पूरा मॉड्यूल को बस्ट किया गया।
So clearly that is helping police to gain more successes against militancy in Kashmir. It's a big success for the security forces, as they say, rounding up of all those militant associates, but also the police has in fact prevented many youth from joining active militancy. They have been brought back into the mainstream, they have been counseled and also helped to get back to normal life. So those are all achievements of the police to combat militancy. But clearly, while the focus is on eliminating the militants, it's also on diluting the militant sympathizers, the associates, and arresting them so as to deprive the militants of the logistic support. In Srinagar, Zafar Iqbal.